Hi guys! I'm back! Back! Did you miss me? I got a voice change operation! It went well! How do you like it? Ah! I like it a lot! Think it gives me more character, more expression. I almost lost my face there, what was that? Oh, anyways. Yeah, that's all I really had to say! Halloween's coming up, this voice should fit that perfectly! Scare some little kids! Ah, that's what I want to do! Alright. My throat hurts. Nothing else to say. Good night!